Hi, I'm Owen Bowling, co-founder of the Wellness Program, an AI coach platform designed to help gym members be more successful. As an industry, we are entering the age of scaled personalisation. Imagine if your fitness facility had only one member. Ignore the financial implications for the moment. What level of personalised service and assistance would you be able to provide that one person to help them succeed? Your answer provides a glimpse into the world of scaled personalisation that is now becoming a plausible reality, with advancements and accessibility of artificial intelligence, machine learning, and communication interfaces such as chatbots. But what is AI? Well, the Oxford Dictionary defines artificial intelligence as the theory and development of computer systems able to perform tasks normally requiring human intelligence, such as visual perception, speech recognition, decision-making, and translation between languages. Artificial intelligence and AI-driven chatbots can drive new levels of customer experience and engagement in the fitness industry. The majority of AI technologies that you deal with today are sophisticated algorithms that analyze data rapidly to carry out specific tasks. Some examples of platforms deploying AI that you'll be familiar with include Netflix, Amazon, Facebook, Spotify, and many more. These platforms rely on AI-related solutions that directly interact with you each time you use the service. Netflix, for example, uses AI to customize what you see in an attempt to keep you engaged with the platform for longer. The thumbnails and show recommendations that you see are specific to your profile, historical usage data, and more. Facebook and Spotify and most of the other social platforms do this as well. We're living in a world of AI and it's helping or directing our decision making, often without us realizing it. Amir Hussain, CEO of AI software company Spark Cognition, has said, "Artificial intelligence is kind of the second coming of software. It's a form of software that makes decisions on its own, that's able to act even in situations not foreseen by the programmers. Artificial intelligence has a wider latitude of decision-making ability as opposed to traditional software." So as a user, you generally interact with either visible or concealed AI. In the case of Netflix and other examples given, AI algorithms are responsible for controlling what you see with the aim of engaging you more and keeping your attention. This is concealed from you because you're not actively interacting with the AI and often don't even know that it's there in the background. Conversely, when you ask Siri or Alexa a question, you know that you're talking to an AI system, interacting directly with it in achieving a specific outcome. AI-driven chatbots are visible interactive systems which you know that you're communicating with a digital entity, not a human, via either voice or text. So what does AI look like for fitness businesses? Well, AI is currently best used as a supporting tool rather than a replacement for human intelligence and ingenuity. It has a difficult time completing common sense tasks in the real world, but it's skilled at processing and analysing masses of data far more quickly than a human brain can. Artificial intelligence software can process significant data sets and then present its findings or recommendations to a human. And in this way, humans can use AI to help play out possible consequences of each action and streamline the decision-making process. The main ways that businesses are implementing AI right now include customer service via telephone or chatbots, personalised advertising and marketing messages, managing and analysing data, and automating repetitive tasks. But before implementing AI as part of your digital strategy, you should make sure that the problem you have to solve is able to be solved by AI. For fitness facilities, a number of key areas can be improved with effective implementation of AI, including personalised advertising and marketing, your sales process, member onboarding, member support, and data consolidation and analysis to provide clearer insights into marketing and sales, member behaviour, things like equipment usage, and even retention and attrition. AI can also be used to measure member success depending on the metrics that you want to use. And then there's the data challenge. One of the big challenges facing fitness businesses in their attempts to implement effective digital strategies, including AI, is the fragmentation of data sources. AI is most effective when it can access more data, but in the fitness industry, this data commonly comes from a variety of sources, and it's not consolidated into one accessible source. So these sources of separate data can include things like your website, your CRM, your access management system, your sales and marketing systems, data that is being pulled in from equipment manufacturers, financial or debiting company data, personal health trackers that are used by your members, and even personal trainer programs and client data or fitness or nutrition apps used by your members. Part of your digital strategy should focus on finding ways to integrate data sources, as this will result in significant growth in AI capabilities for your fitness business. This could be as simple as exploring existing integrations between the software systems that you currently use, or as complex as creating a custom database designed to consolidate data from your various systems in a structure that can then provide meaningful insights. AI can be amazingly useful, but only if humans create systems to provide it with the right level of information. One of the most exciting aspects of utilizing AI in the fitness industry is the opportunity to provide scaled personalization to your customers. Because many of your business's repetitive tasks can be automated, you can save on admin-related salaries and instead invest in team members capable of adding tangible value to your members and clients. Here's an example of the customer journey in an AI-enhanced facility. Let's first start with onboarding. Upon signing up, your customer success coach chatbot, AI, takes over the customer journey and interacts with the new member as she gets started, helping her set realistic and meaningful goals, and even providing her with a customized training plan. Initial fitness, strength, and wellness measurements are recorded by the AI coach and can be used to track improvements each month. And let's look at member usage and success. Most members will be more successful with a little guidance, a little support, and a little accountability. Your AI coach can provide these services and even coordinate with real human staff members to create the perfect combination of AI and human teamwork to help members be more successful. Every member receives personalized recommendations and encouragement and support based on their unique needs. At-home workouts and wellness-focused activities can be utilized when the member cannot make it to your facility. The reality is that members get value, stay longer. And the value that a member receives has historically been their ability to access your facility and services. This is no longer enough. And value can be provided in a number of ways, including having amazing facilities, fantastic classes, world-class staff that build relationships and trust, having fantastic coaching and support, providing accountability, measurement and tracking member progress, motivation, and even at-home workouts. As an industry, we have a huge opportunity to provide immense value to our members, above and beyond the number of times they visit our facilities each week. And AI is key to enabling us to achieve this. And if you want to find out more about how AI can be used to improve your member engagement, visitation, and retention, head to thewellnessprogram.com.au.